Hey everybody, I'm TJ from TJ's Magic Touch, and today I'll be showing you how to assemble your custom Reese's wrapper. Super quick and very easy. Let's get started. Okay, the first thing you're going to need is your printed out design. You're also going to need some type of adhesive. My absolute favorite thing to use is this crafter's tape from AdTech. You can also use 3M's double-sided tape, but AdTech is my absolute favorite. You're also going to need a pair of scissors to cut out your design, which I have already done, or alternatively, you can use a paper cutter like this one here. All you would do is slide your sheet underneath the plastic sheath and raise the handle to cut off the edges. Two optional items that you can use is your paper crimper. This one is by Uchida and it is found on Amazon, as well as a good pair of heavy pinking shears. I've tried some of the smaller plastic ones. They didn't work too well for me and they kind of just chewed up the paper, so these are my absolute favorite. First thing you're going to do after cutting out your design is you're going to lay your paper face down. I like to start by folding over the right side first, which is usually where my nutrition label is, then fold over the left side. Take a Reese's and kind of sit it towards the center to make sure it's sitting where I want it to sit. Move it out the way. You'll see that these are gentle folds, not really bending the paper too much, just like a light crease. And then I'll take my tape runner and I'll go over the top of the design. I'll go down the right side, which is the side where my nutrition label is, and then I'll go across the bottom. For me, those are the only places where adhesive is needed. After that, I grab my Reese's again. Mind you, these are the 1.5 ounce Reese's. I like to tuck these flaps in. Sometimes if those flaps are a little bit too long, I'll grab 2 pieces of clear Scotch tape to tape them down so that they are not in my way while I'm assembling my wrapper. I press down the middle. Then to seal the ends, I'll squeeze or pinch in the middle and pinch the sides in order to close the ends. Flip the Reese's over and I'll do those exact same steps on the other end. I'll kind of pinch in the middle, then squeeze the edges to close the ends. At this point, if you don't have pinking shears or a paper crimper, all you would need to do is to trim off this excess white and you'd be done. I, however, am going to show you what it is like once you crimp the ends, and then use the pinking shears to give you that jagged finish. That is literally it. You're done at this point. I am, however, going to show it to you 2 more times without my commentary. You can find this design as an instant download in my Etsy shop. I will post all the links to everything that I have used in this video in the description box below. I hope you have enjoyed this super quick and easy tutorial, making the perfect graduation favor for your 2021 graduates. Thanks so much for watching.